Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at alter table, and we're basically going to be adding a column, dropping a column, and modifying it, like the data type of the column. So here we go.
Here we have a table called students. And so basically I've changed like which database we're using. So now we have a different database called university. So here we have a few tables, but today we're going to be working with students for this example. So what we're going to be doing is looking at alter table, and we're going to be basically adding a column, taking away a column, and we're going to modify like the data type of like that column accepts. So first thing, when I execute it here, we have this table. Now if I say that I want to add like a column, or like if we say we want to add a column, then we do this one. So here we have alter table students and then add address. So address is the name of the new column I want to add. And then this is basically like whichever data type I want to set to it. So here I have varying character with total 255 characters that it can accept. So then we have to specifically run this, and now it's altered, and now we're going to select the table. So here you can see now we have a new table. Now we have a new column called address where all the values are null because we haven't like inserted anything for them. But this is basically like how you add any column. Another way is obviously like you just go over here and then we have students over here. So then another way is obviously that you can just go into like properties, and then you can go into columns over here and just add a new column like this. And you can also delete the row, like delete the column. So you can delete it from here, and then you can also add a column from here. But then, so yeah, I'll take that away. So otherwise, if you do it from like Postgres, and then you just do it like this using alter table. Then we're going to see how we can take away address. So to take it away, we use drop column. So here is the same syntax, basically alter table students, and then instead of add is basically drop column address. So now we need to select this, and now it's altered, and then select everything from students, and then you can see that the address table is gone. So this is basically like how you add and take away columns. Adding rows is like obviously easier, but this is how you take away like, and then we can also modify. So here we're going to look at how to modify like the data types. So I have alter table students, and then alter the column name, so this one basically, to type text. So this is basically type text already, so we're going to change it. So I'm just going to copy this and then put it over here. So then we have type varying character 255. We can change this to whatever we like, so we can put like 10 or 15 maybe. So it can only take in 15 characters. And then here you can see that that is like character varying 15 now. So first it was text, and now it's this. And then if I want to like change it back, then I just write text here again. And then you've got it back here. And so this is basically like how you use alter table. So this is like the most basic thing where you can just add, take away columns, and then modify it.